Hello everyone, and thank you Mr. Amit Dave and the Vedant team to invite me in this occasion. And I'm really glad to act as in session chair. And the event, the organization you have created this interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary conference is really something which we need in India currently. And I am from physical education background, and I can really appreciate this as much as I can. It is possible that this NEP 2020 and impact of NEP in physical education. So here I have been given with three topics which I will be describing soon. The first topic is about tracing the origins and evolution of Yoga Darshana, a critical historical analysis by Dev Bansari Bain and Dr. Anil Kashyap, Department of Yoga, Madhav University, Pindwara, Rajasthan. This paper is discussing about the analytical and empirical researches on classical philosophical traditions of Yoga Darshana. This study has critically analyzed all of the factors and also described at the end that what are the factors influencing Yoga Darshana in throughout the history. So the factors are like the spiritual factors, traditional factors, cultural evaluations, and the contemporary setups, how all these things has evolved. And this, I think, as a session chair, I think this work is wonderfully done and really very well written and elaborated, and the critically analyzed methodology is really very good written. My second paper is about integrating recreational soccer into higher education, a pathway to enhance health and fitness in India. This is written by Avinash Kharel from Rashtriya Raksha Shakti University, Arunachal Pradesh. This research describes about the declining numbers of players and the increasing numbers of obesity rate among higher education. This is a wonderful device that the research is discussing about, that how soccer can influence higher education people to improve their fitness. Along with it, some social interaction and teamwork can be improved. So it has been described very well in the throughout the paper, and contributing to low